The IVARONAL Spectra Pump Parts Kit provides a complete set of replacement components, so you can refresh all of your frequently used parts in one purchase and keep your pump performing reliably over time. It is designed to work seamlessly with popular Spectra electric pumps and several compatible models from other brands, delivering suction that feels just as strong and consistent as the original parts. The upgraded flanges and reinforced duckbill valves create a more secure seal, which helps minimize leaks, maintain steady suction, and make pumping sessions more efficient and comfortable. A wide range of flange insert sizes is available to fine-tune the fit around the nipple, supporting better milk flow while reducing pinching, rubbing, and other common discomforts during pumping. The included backflow protectors and tubing are built to keep milk out of the pump motor area, which supports hygiene and helps protect your equipment from moisture damage. Tall storage bottles with secure screw rings and sealing discs allow you to pump directly into the container, store milk safely, and then feed without extra transfers, simplifying your daily routine.